Good morning, everyone. It's me, Lex, and welcome to Daily Trading Notes. U.S. markets stumbled last week after China has ordered the closure of a U.S. consulate in Chengdu, retaliating after Washington shut the Chinese consulate in Houston earlier this week. This is the first week of negative decline in the past 4 weeks. Meanwhile, in local markets, the PSEI may likely take its cue this week from the release of second quarter earnings results. The PSEI slightly flirted below the 6,000 level. Watch out for key support levels for the market at 6,000, 5,7, and 5,4. Earnings are expected to decline 15% this year before recovering 14% next year. Meanwhile, President Duterte is set also to give his SONA today. In other news, the BSP is not inclined to adopt a zero interest rate policy as the government eases lockdown restrictions during the pandemic. Note that the BSP has already reduced its benchmark rates by 175 basis points this year to 2.25 to combat the effects of the pandemic. In addition, Congress is pushing for the 1.3 trillion peso stimulus package for sectors hit hard by the lockdown, primarily tourism, transportation, agri-fisheries, and MSMEs. In corporate news, Jollibee expects Coffee Bean, Smashburger acquisitions paying off in 2021. Jollibee expects to turn around its recent acquisitions as early as the first quarter of next year. JFC has managed to close 350 non-performing stores even before the pandemic struck. Note that Jollibee has already paid a total of $445 million for Smashburger, $110 million of which settled in 2018. Meanwhile, Coffee Bean was acquired for $350 million. It is certain that 2020 will be a losing year, but the recovery is expected in 2021. Cost-cutting measures have been implemented this year amid a drastic reduction for the company to reduce its capex to combat the impact of COVID-19. Management expects to grow back its historical data of 15% annually. In the following years, JFC expects to double its size of its business every 5 years. That wraps up our daily trading notes. We'll see you again tomorrow. Stay safe.